What up guys, it's your boy MartyBlendz back with another tutorial, and today we have a nice mid-drop fade, so let's jump right into the cut. Up first, moisten up your canvas. You want to go ahead and part away the top hair, that way it doesn't interfere with your blend. When parting, make sure you get the straightest line possible and have both sides matching. Trust me, this can make a huge difference when it comes to the actual cut because you'll have more darkness on one side than the other. On here you'll see me clip or overcomb all the excess little hairs that belongs to the bottom. Now that we have our model prepped, you want to grab your trimmer and create your first baseline. Don't press down too hard or you will make it much more difficult to take out that specific line later on. Because it is a drop fade though, you want to go ahead and drop it down low towards the back. Alright guys, now you want to remove everything underneath. Make sure you do everything slowly and contour to the client's head shape. For a cleaner look, shave down all the stubble with a shaver. Now open up the lever a little over halfway and create a 1/2 inch guideline all around. Also notice how I do tend to use one side of the blade when doing so. This is due to the fact that our baseline is really curved, so we have to work our way around. With the 1.5 guard, you want to go up about a full inch. Also, don't forget to brush down after every step. Using a number 2 open, go up a 1/2 inch but flick out to reduce any chances of making another line. You now want to close up the lever fully and hit that baseline halfway through the guideline. Open up gradually every time you go up. With your 1/2 guard halfway open, create a 1/2 inch guideline. Open up the lever and create another 1/2 inch guideline above that. The number 1 in this case will clear up any line within the darkness, so be very careful not to go up too high on this step. Finally, with your lever open, no guard, get rid of the last line you're able to see. Remember, the more you use your corners, the cleaner the fade. Keep in mind you can play around with the lever. Every client is different, so don't be afraid to close it up either. Guys, I do suggest you follow the steps all around the cut when doing so. I just make sure to do one side for demonstration purposes. And guys, if you happen to be wondering where to get these translucent guards, make sure to visit MartyBlendz.com. Now don't forget, we also do have a BABYliss discount code down in the description in case you're in the market for a brand new custom set or just anything off the BABYliss.com site. I just want to thank you guys for all the love and support we've recently received, and if you have any questions, please drop them down below. Now back to the cut. Guys, don't forget to be patient and concentrate on giving the highest quality cut. If you are still able to see uneven bulk throughout the darkness, be sure to use blending shears to blend it all together. Now as for lineups, you want to clip away the front and start in the center. When doing so, try to be steady to keep your eye on where the trimmer blade is hitting. Notice how I do use one side of the blade for one C-cup and then the opposite for the other. Razor everything for a clean finish. When cutting the top portion of the cut, lay everything down to its natural position. Since my model did have most of his hair forward, I focused on reducing the sides a bit so it wouldn't take any attention from the blend itself. The last thing you want is a clean blend with a bunch of bulk covering it. And if you need to, just clip or overcome the tiny little hairs dangling off. For the most part, just try to make both sides even on top. Cross cut to have a texturized look. Last but not least, blow dry and apply a product. I did use Bloom On Cavalier to have that dry effect. Top it off with some hairspray and we're all set. Guys, here's the finishing product. If you did enjoy this tutorial or learn anything from me today, please make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Again, I'm MartyBlendz and I'm out. Peace.